On Wednesday, 31st August 2022, the Deputy Chief Minister of Meghalaya, Prestone Tynsong, had briefed newspersons on the government's decision to the relocation of residents of Them Ïew Mawlong. While speaking on the issue, Prestone Tynsong informed that the 342 families of the Harijan Colony or Them Ïew Mawlong will be relocated to the Municipal Quarters at Bivar Road, Shillong, and not at the quarters of the TB hospital as was decided earlier. On the same, the Deputy Chief Minister further informed that a blueprint of the new location has been prepared by the Meghalaya Urban Development Affairs Department, while the government has also requested the same department for a detailed project report of the new quarters into which the residents of Them Ïew Mawlong will be relocated.
This afternoon we had a meeting with the officials from the Urban Affairs, where the Honorable Minister of Urban Affairs is also here in the meeting, and with the Shillong Municipal Board as well as from the DC Revenue. So ultimately I am happy to inform you that after taking into consideration all issues, so today we have finalized the location identified by Urban Affairs Department for relocating of friends from Mawlong, from the sweeper lane, Ïew Mawlong. We have decided now that the relocation will be shifted in the existing quarters of the sweepers here just opposite the LO quarter, which is, I think you all know. Right now, of course, we are also converted into the temporary office of Shillong Municipal Board, and now we have decided, and the Urban Affairs Department has brought all the details, and then we finalize that relocation will take place in the same existing place. This is one issue which I would like to inform you. And the second issue is again, roughly Urban Affairs Department has already shown all the details of the building which needs to be constructed over there, and I'm happy to inform you that as per the technical report given by the Urban Affairs Department, it is possible to accommodate all the 342 families in the same place itself. So these are the two issues where we discuss, and now again I have instructed Urban Affairs Department to further bring us all the details of drawing, estimate how much it will cost for construction of these quarters, and that we have instructed the Urban Affairs Department as long as also with the Shillong Municipal Board to again submit to us all the details, and thereafter I will have a meeting with the HPC Harijan Committee, maybe most likely towards the end of this month.